Poliquin Machinery is proud to offer this 1995 Strippitt FabriCenter 1000 XP20. This turret punch has a Strippitt CNC control with a Macintosh platform. It has a punching capacity of 23 ton, travels of 51 inch by 40 inch, maximum workpiece size of 98.5 inches by 78.75 by 1/4 inch. It has a bidirectional turret with 20 stations, 4 of them large. As you can see from the photos, there is a lot of tooling available with this machine, as well as a sharpener. It's in great condition with everything you need to put it to work in your shop tomorrow. You can see this and many other fine machine tools at poliquinmachinery.com.